No rolling, no fuss. This bowl is fast, fresh, and packed with flavor. Hi, I'm Sencha. Today, we're making Vietnamese summer rolls. All in a bowl. It's everything you love about the spring rolls, but without the rolling. My mom used to make it for us this way when we were kids because rolling each one was a bit tricky. So, tossing everything into a bowl made it easier for her and much more easier for us to eat.
For this dish, you will need 3 main ingredients: the noodle, the veggies, and the beef or the protein of your choice. Feel free to use any veggies you like. Give everything a good rinse and a quick chop. Easy, fresh, and done. When slicing your herbs, stack them like a little bouquet. It makes chopping quicker and cleaner. Let's get the water boiling for our noodles. While the water heats up, we'll prep and marinate the beef. You can use a fancy cut of beef like tenderloin, but flank or sirloin work just as well. Slice 1 medium onion into half moons. This keeps the flavor gentle but still adds a nice bite. Then smash the garlic to bring out the flavor and chop it up. In a bowl, mix together the sliced beef with onion, garlic, and add 1 tablespoon of sweet soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of regular soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, half a teaspoon of chili flakes. It's optional, but it gives a nice kick, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Let it marinate for 15 minutes. If you're short on time, even a quick mix will still give a great flavor. Once the water's boiling, cook your rice or wheat noodle according to the package. It usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Then rinse them under cold water and set aside. They're done when they're soft and no longer white inside. Next, cook the beef over medium-high heat until it's fully cooked. You can totally switch up the protein to pork, prawns, or even make it completely vegan.
Now it's time to put it all together.
Start by placing the noodle into your bowl. Then layer in the lettuce, fresh coriander, crispy bean sprout, sliced cucumber, and mint. Then top that with juicy beef and drizzle on some homemade fish sauce. Or you can buy it ready-made at the supermarket or at the Asian store. Look for Vietnamese dipping sauce for spring rolls.
That's it! Summer roll made simple in a bowl. It's fresh, simple, and perfect for any day. Want to learn how to make this delicious and simple sauce made at home? If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.